Today in this video, I'm going to show you the very powerful indicator that you can see on screen, that it provides you with the easy buy and sell signals, and I will provide you the settings that how you can optimize this indicator for the better way to use. And you can see I have seen the signals are very fantastic, and this could be a better indicator for you, especially when you use the free indicators. Okay, guys, first of all, please watch this full video. And if you just check the description of this video, then you will find the best broker link in our description, and you can simply join that broker. And the second thing, if you're looking for a coaching session with me, and if you want to book my lifetime version of the millionaire secret levels indicator that we have just launched, then I will talk about this in the same video as well. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that which indicator is this. So you need to go to RSI and you need to write RSI combined. Okay, on TradingView. When you will write RSI combined, then this indicator will come, that is called RSI combined, with three different indicators. And this is someone by Sydney and Net. Okay, and you can see this indicator is getting popular right now. Okay, once you click this indicator, this is a simple buy and sell indicator. So first of all, just let me tell you that we don't need the buy RSI and WT, and the sell RSI and WT, we don't need that one. So just keep the thing very simple. Okay, now what I have observed in this indicator, that first of all, if you are going to use that indicator into the from the major support and resistance and the key levels, then it can provides you the best results. Okay, for example, look, this is the 5 minute Euro USD chart, and you can see it has given you exceptional very good trades. Let's have a look on pound JPY. Okay, now you can see this is the trending market. So in the trending market patterns, what you need to do, always make the help take the helpline from take the help from the trend lines. Okay, never sell in the trending market when the price is going up. Instead, you should be looking for the bullish signal in that case. Okay, so similarly, let me show you an example. Like for example, this was the bearish trending market on that time. So I would not looking to for these buy signals. Instead, I will be looking for a sell. So this is the better opportunity that we have on this indicator. Okay, so let me show you more examples. You can see these are the simple buy and sell signals, and this works on everything like forex, stocks, crypto. Let me show you on crypto Bitcoin, and you can see, but again the same concept, the market is trending down, so don't use the bullish signals. Instead, go for a selling opportunity when you have. So this is the free indicator, and now I'm going to talk about my private indicator. If you want to get the lifetime access of this indicator, contact on Telegram. The method is very simple. The method is simple, that if the trend is going down, we will be looking for the pink levels for a selling opportunity. And once the level is fixed, and how it will fix, like it is under formation right now. Like for example, first of all, just look at here, it has provided you with the buy trade and you got a one bullish candle. But what is the trend? It's the downtrend. Now it has immediately provided you in real time that this is the selling opportunity. So if the candle closes bearish and it closes bearish, then this level will get fixed, and then we can go for the selling, and that could be with the trend. Okay, I have used this indicator very well, and we have opened this indicator for everyone. Now you can see this is the selling opportunity on gold 5 minute, and previously we have the buying opportunity, and I also have given a free signal in my group as well. Just look at this, guys. This is the uptrend, and you got three bullish levels on this indicator. So that's fantastic. And now just imagine if you're using the 1 hour chart and I take you to the gold chart, then you will realize one thing, that was the very good bullish opportunity, and right now it's talking about the selling at the moment. So if, for example, if you're selling here, then where will be your stop loss? Your stop loss will be quite immediate, just above the level or the previous low. This is not here, just at this point, because this is what you can do. So guys, if you want to book the lifetime version of my millionaire secret levels indicator, then you can contact on our Telegram. You can find my email in the description of this video below, and you can book the lifetime version of this beautiful indicator. Because in this indicator, we do not trade the previous levels. Like, these levels are expired for us, and we are now trading the new levels that you can see on the screen here. This is the fresh level, and it is telling you that this is the bullish move. This is not a bearish time. So this is the bullish one. Okay, so guys, contact through Telegram or email. Thank you very much for watching this video.